So today I'm going to show you the easiest way to put an impeller in a Caterpillar C32 engine. These is a Sherwood 30,000K, and it is almost impossible to put this impeller in this pump by hand. I mean, it is probably without a doubt the hardest impeller there is to install on an engine. I mean, it takes an act of God almost to push the thing in. So I found this product. It's called an ImpellerEze, and basically you install the impeller inside this piece of flared pipe. I'm not gonna lie, it is difficult to put it in here, but I'm also 120 pounds, so I'm not the strongest guy in the world. But all you do is rotate it in there, with it being heavily lubricated, of course. I use Dawn, or it actually comes with a product called Super Lube, I believe. I like Dawn. But basically you rotate it in there, and basically once I get it started, I just stand on it and it goes right in. And then you have a T-bolt that goes above it. Then you just simply slide the impeller into the raw water pump and get it on the spline. And there it is, it's sitting in place. And then you simply take a ratchet, a drill, or impact. Now personally, I wouldn't recommend any impact that isn't variable speed, like one of the type that plug in the wall or pneumatic, just because they tend to apply quite a bit of force and you could potentially tear up these threads. I actually lubricate these threads every time before I use it. And simply get on the bolt and push. And there you go, impeller installed.